Hi everyone, this is a quick run through of a mum and baby book I've done for a lady called Meredith, and I have to say an absolutely beautiful little boy called Osiris. So if I run through, normal size, 6 by 8 3/4, 2-inch spine. What I've done on the front is embossed relief of there's a mum holding a baby. Sentiment, precious moments. I've backed it onto some board that I've covered in, I can't think of the name of the paint that I've used, what I would normally use. There are some little flowers, some leaves that I've die cut and then stained up, and a butterfly that I've heat embossed just to give it a bit of shine and stuff. And then I've gone around the edge and just made I thought I'd try something different. Blimey, this took some time, trying to mask all the area of. So that's the front. On the spine we have ridges, and again I've picked it out with a bit of gold colour paint. And then on the back we've got the same, if I put it down actually you might be able to see better. I've just done the same frame on the back. So Tim Holtz fastener and some gold coloured chiffon ribbon. I couldn't find anything I liked to actually do the fastening, hence why I've gone for something quite sheer and lightweight. So if we go inside, there are just under 200 pages in the book. So lovely little boy and his dog, of course. On the front I've put a sentiment. If we could all see the world through the eyes of a child, then we would see the magic in everything. I have to admit, as a foster carer, I got a little cynical about that. But when you see a picture of a beautiful little baby, so sweet, so innocent, and a mum that obviously dotes on him, then that applies. So I thought, okay, we'll go for that. Now, Meredith wanted bright, eclectic. Okay, this is what we've gone for. So not only is it for the little boy, but it's also very much for mom as well, this book. So 7 signatures, each one has got the lace pocket at the beginning. And I've used these, I will list all the papers below, they're all from the same seller. And I've got a good mix of things to interest Meredith as well. Now this is a paper that I've dyed, and I've done some embossing with a bit of texture paste, but it's sparkly, it's like Christmas, and I really like that as an alt. Let me just pick that up to get that in the light. Yep, like that. Little pocket I've stitched around it, just a little pocket in the back. And then we have music paper. Now this is from the sewing book that I've used before, and this one is how to use your sewing machine. And you know, I've got a sewing machine in the corner which is still stitched still threaded like that. So we have a little tuck spot at the top. Lots of little note cards, and these have got nursery rhymes on. So this is To Ride a Cock Horse, that one. And some copies of book pages. Now for the centre, I went for Winnie the Pooh because his sentiments are as relevant today as they always have been. This one says, any day spent with you is my favourite day. So today is my new favourite day. And I thought, you know what, for a mum and baby book, I'm actually going to get slightly mushy. Little Miss Muffet. Now these, Meredith, are actually note cards. I did print them. I put them in because I printed them off in one size to go in the book, and then thought I don't like that, so I reprinted them to a full size. But I put them in so you've got extra journaling space, or it covers a blank page, which I know you didn't want. So if I go through these, that's the back of the dyed paper, and that one's got a texture paste, but in a butterfly, that one. And back of the paper there, sweet signature tool. So that's the tag in that one. Another one of the note cards, or I'm calling them note cards. Another book page, oh, a book cover, Robin Hood, that one. I love the little mouse. More music paper, and go to the sewing book. There's Winnie the Pooh, Piglets. Like I say, I'll put a link to all the papers I've used underneath. Crochet. Can't do that. And another little mouse. Elizabeth and Her German Garden. I don't actually know that book. That's a belly band with a tag in it. A little side tuck. I thought that was so sweet. Number signature 3. Gorgeous pictures. Now, this is from a children's encyclopedia, this one. I think it's from the 40s, 30s, 40s. I know they still talk about the British Empire in it. Now that one is a layout for baby. A little tag. Now for my collages, the bags are empty. I thought I'd do a snippet tag, or a snippet bag, should I say. So, collage of lace. Another goose. And this Winnie the Pooh one says, how do you spell love? You don't spell it, you feel it. That's very true. A Victorian fairy tale book. That one's a bag. Another little collage of lace. Note card. Needlework in the kitchen. Well, there you go. Songbird. Sorry Meredith, there are a couple of blank pages. And this one is number 4. So I've got a big tag in there. Goody 2 shoes. Like cracking colours. Love those. There's a note card. Now this one I thought was so appropriate for a baby book. Sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart. How very true is that? Dictionary paper. Children's millinery. Winnie the Pooh and Tigger. Oh, do you know, I've got a picture of me as a baby in one of these sort of bonnet affairs. No, I won't be sharing it. Note cards. Another Mother Goose page. And a tag. Sleeping babies. Another postcard in that one. And we have another lace collage. So this time I folded over some craft paper, sewn it up so it's a nice sturdy pocket. There's a tag in there, although looking at that, I think I should have clipped something to the outside. So, That just looks very plain. That's better. This is out of the children's book again, children's encyclopedia, and we've got school lessons. Simple lessons, learning made easy for very little people. Some more Bennington books, a layout for baby again. Another note card. Treasures from Storyland. And the inside, the Winnie the Pooh says, it seems they had always been and always will be friends. Time could change much, but not that. And that's very true. The storybook, side tuck, needlework in the kitchen again. And the back of the pages. Reading, arithmetic, music, drawing, French with pictures. Right, that one also needs a tag. Too big. Let's have a look. Let's swap them around. Talk about doing things on the fly. That's that one. And another lace collage. Oh wait, I think this one's number 6. Nice big tag. Natural History Series for Children. Another children's encyclopedia. Sorry, I have to keep chucking the cat off the desk. Reading More Silent Letters. Embroidery. Bit more Winnie the Pooh in the middle there. Children having fun. Counting, angles and corners. I don't think I can do that, so I don't suppose I'd be much good at teaching kids. This one's got a bit of die cuts on the top. I've been having a bit of a mad one with my die cut machine lately. Belly bands. And the final signature. Lace pockets, nice cards, counting, buttons. Gosh, I remember doing that. It was either buttons or pasta shapes when I was a kid at school. More children's millinery. Another little, well actually they're not quite so little note cards. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. This is another one of the papers that I dyed, and that one's got a dragonfly on it. The lighting is rubbish here at the moment because it is absolutely pouring down outside. Henny Penny. Do you know, I remember reading books like that as a kid. And no, I'm not that old. We didn't realise we were making memories, we just knew we were having fun. That's brilliant. And that's what childhood should be about. Book pages, and that one is Hushabye Baby. Another little dragonfly on the back. Mistress Mary. And then we have a tag in there. Another little girl. And the back of the pages. And the back, a little poem on the back. So there we go. Meredith, I'm hoping this is what you wanted. I really enjoyed putting this one together. You do have, it just sometimes pays to remind yourself of the innocence there is in this world. Really enjoyed it. I will speak to you all later. Take care. Bye.